unboxing of a Maxvision eyepiece, 2-inch Maxvision. I think it's 28 millimeter, 68 degrees wide field of view. So let's open it. It's one of the best eyepieces I think that I may have. Okay, now let's see what is inside. I already have told what is inside, but let's see how it looks. Ooh, well packed. I have to be careful. I don't want to cause a lot of damage. Packaging thingies. Oh, it comes out. Ooh, quite heavy. Anything else inside? No, nothing. Okay. That's the Maxvision eyepiece. Well packed. Oof. The packaging of it is massive. Maxvision 68 degrees ocular, 28 millimeter. Okay. Well, by the way, they have written the ocular. I think that this was probably from the Germany it arrived. Or let me see anyway. Let me open it by, I need 2 hands. Okay, now I have opened that pack. Oh, I have a few Maxvisions. None of them came in a box. This is the first one. Oh, look, really well packed. Oh, this is the first Maxvision. It comes properly in a box. Take a beautiful photograph of it. That looks amazing. Total beauty. Oh wow, look at the lens. Oof. Okay, just for the sake of the information, I'm telling you that Maxvision is equal to the Meade 5000, series 5000 eyepieces. And this is a Meade Super Plus 26 millimeter multi-coated. These are equal to series 4000, this one. So compare this 1¼ inch with this one, which is 2 inch. The amount of the glass here is substantial. Amazing. Okay, we will use it in our telescope. Just before finishing this video, I just want to show you the end with the bottom part of the lens. As you can see, it is quite impressive. And it's immaculate. Oh, above the eye, the dot of the eye is a crescent moon. Beautiful.